Hello everyone, welcome to Summon Tools. You are not surprised anything about this one. This is called the oil transfer, oil diesel transfer, or petrol transfer. Some people last time say they may go on fire because the electric motor is nothing wrong with that, because they are built in with the shaft, and this is circulate and pump out the in and out here. It's nothing to do with the motor and cannot be blow up, you know, like you can do whatever it is. But transfer oil, yes, when it first buy, good. After for a few years, like month, you've been using oil, it's good. But if you're using sucking the petrol from some of the generator out, it's bad, because they will design this one is by plastic and it seals itself up. When it's spin, it not come out and it not engage into the gear here, and it not circulate and not bring in the oil or anything. So what I do is try to do something with this one is making something by metal instead of by plastic, because plastic is expand because the petrol go in and it's expand itself and it couldn't come out. See, like this one, it's very hard. By the time when I use only this one using, and this only one only working this one, and then they're not strong enough to bring in the fuel, the oil, the fuel for me. So what I do is lift up, and I can get some little metal gouge, that's the decent size, to go in here and make some shape and gap, and it should be work for good for a long time. Okay, put away, very easy. This is for the 3 bolt go on the back for you to maintain the, see, the 3 bolt with the washer, the gasket by O-rings. It's very easy to get anyway. Yeah, because this one I've been buying, I got some of them, but sometimes, you know, like I don't want to swap again and again, and too many. I buy so many of this one, and last time they wouldn't pump and they throw away. So what I do is replace the plastic by metal, or if you have aluminum, it's good. But see how it works and how strong it gets, because I have trouble for get out the fuel and oil because it goes so slow, and I want to get it pumped so I can pump the oil into my CU2 gearbox. So what I have to do is take it up, and you have to know so it rotates this way, so this way up, and then if you go there, okay, this way up, okay, up or down doesn't matter, they got the way to go, but it's this way down, okay, this way up. So I write a mark, I cut the mark on. We cannot see by anything, we just make the little mark. So I know this will be little cuts here, will be up, okay. What I do is try to get some metal that thick and go in here. See this one come out sometime, yeah. And this one stuck. You see, stuck. Push really hard. See, it's stuck. And this one stuck too. Oh, super hard. So I have to get this flat screwdriver, get it up. See, stuck. Sand dust and everything stuck up, and it's stuck. Okay, this is perfect for me. Stainless steel, never go rust, and it's got in beautiful gap when it's heat, and it can fly in and out easily when it turn. I use this one for sure. And cut, and we are bingos. Using this one, it's a cat please. I'm left-handed, sorry man. It can be shorter, because it can go in and it go into the gap itself, and then see this one, they can fly in and out. So shorter better, and it can fly out that way. So it goes, I keep the mark, and I need 4. Slide them out and cut 5 pieces of that. 5 pieces of that, okay? Four. One more to go. And I'm left-handed too, sorry. 5. We need 5 of them. We keep this shiny edge forever. Let's go down the basement. So this one here. Now it's all about you. Level. Yep. Cut the edge, sharp edge, cut it out. Okay, cut sharp edge out. You can make a sharp edge the knife if you want, or just like this, it's perfect, you see? And it's like original, see? Perfect form. Beautiful, you see? That's how it is. Beautiful. One down. We got 5 of them. It look identical to the plastic one. So 5 plastic one here. Expand and that's shit in here and it's not open. Put in there. So what I do is 5 of them. This one go on the top. Remember the mark we're making. And do you think it's work? I hope so. 4, 5, and 5. See, perfectly. All 5, you will see the confidence here is enough. And hope it's work. I hope it's work when I put on. And this will last me for a very long time. And this one will be on. So when you put the berry on, when it spin, it's open up in any different direction. It should work. Okay, we put the berry on. And use for the first time of my pump the oil in my car. For the gearbox, see how it's like. The oil is very thick, okay? And now we're using the pump that we've been prepared. It works. Go in there. Yep. Yep, she's going in, man. The oil really thick. Done. It doesn't take long. And you see the sucking. And it works straight away. And yeah, if you got some tools and try something and it should work, and keep these tools for very long times. Thanks for a short video about how to repair this one for yourself.